Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What Should Be Included in a Remodeling Contract? All right, folks, let's unravel the mystery of the remodeling contract, a document more vital than a treasure map, helping you chart your course through the seas of construction madness. It's the backbone of your project, yet more often overlooked than sunscreen in a monsoon. So, what should really be included to keep stress at bay and your vision on track? Let's dive in. First things first, scope of work. This isn't just a bullet-pointed wish list, it's a detailed blueprint that outlines every job step, from demolition to the grand finale of the final flourish. Clear out the ambiguity and make sure you have each deliverable, material, and task spelled out as precisely as possible. No room for interpretation here, folks. It's got to be tighter than a Vegas magician's act. Next up, scheduling. I'm not talking about vague handwaves like soon and in a few weeks. I mean a timeline as crisp and clear as a desert sky with start dates, completion dates, and those all-important milestones that help you track progress like a stealthy ninja. If there's going to be wiggle room, let's define it right from the get-go. Then there's the payment schedule. Remember, you want to pay as you go, not drop everything up front or after. Walking that payment tightrope means tying checks to phases or completed milestones, ensuring your contractor holds up their end of the swing set, and keeping financial dancing lessons at bay. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Critical, too, is the change order clause. Remodeling can be unpredictable, like nature or your Aunt Edna's storytelling. Build the process for handling changes into the contract so your project doesn't morph into a surprise party with no end and an ever-expanding guest list. And of course, the ever-important warranty section. Define what's covered, for how long, and under what circumstances. You want assurance tighter than tight when it comes to standing the test of time and usage. Finally, don't forget termination terms. It might seem pessimistic, but clear exit strategies can save heartache should the rose wither on the vine. Specify reasons that could trigger termination and how the aftermath should be tidied up. So, there you go. A foolproof contract isn't just legal jargon, it's your golden ticket to a smooth remodeling experience, ensuring that everyone's on the same page, harmonizing like a well-rehearsed choir. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.